It was a warm Saturday morning. Leo woke up early because his family was going swimming today.
The morning air was fresh and cool. Leo could hear birds outside his bedroom window.
Good morning, Mom. I am ready for swimming.
Eat your breakfast first, Leo. You need energy before you swim.
We are going swimming today, Lily. The weather is perfect. I have my towel, goggles, water, and my little toy boat. Come on, everyone. I want to see the swimming pool.
Are we there yet?
I really want to start swimming. Wow! The pool is beautiful! I can't wait to get into the water! The water feels cool, but it is great! I love swimming with my family. Come on, Leo! The water is great! Let's swim together and have some fun! Leo, let's have a race! We can swim to the other side and see who wins. Ready, Lily? 3, 2, 1, go! Let's see who can swim faster. I won! I was faster than you, Leo. That was a really fun race.
Take a little rest, Leo. Drink some water before you swim again.
Look at my little boat. It is floating across the water all by itself. Oh no, my boat is moving away. I need to get it before it goes too far. I can see it. There it is. I just need to reach down and grab it. You got it. Leo, your hair is completely wet. You look so funny. Wait, my right ear feels funny. It feels like there is water inside it.
Come here, Leo. Does your ear hurt, or does it only feel blocked?
It does not hurt. It just feels blocked, like something is inside my ear.
Does it hurt? Do you feel dizzy? Is there anything coming from your ear?
Yes, a little. And I feel dizzy.
That is good. Do not worry. Sometimes water can stay in the ear after swimming.
Maybe I can shake the water out. No. My ear still feels strange. Does it still feel strange, Leo? Maybe you should tell Mom again.
Let's take a short break, Leo. Dry your ears and see how you feel.
I dried my ear, but it still feels blocked. I hope it gets better soon.
Let's go home and let Leo rest. We can swim again another day.
I was still worried about my ear, but I felt better because my family was with me. We are home now. My ear still feels blocked, so I think I need to rest.
I changed my clothes and sat on my bed. My body felt tired after swimming. Here, Leo. Drink some water. Mom said you should rest for a little while. The water helped me feel better, but my ear still felt a little strange.
How are you feeling now, Leo? Is your ear still blocked?
It does not really hurt, Mom. It just feels full, like there is water inside.
Do not put anything inside your ear, Leo. Let it rest and tell me if it starts hurting.
Okay, Mom. I will leave my ear alone and tell you if anything changes. I closed my eyes and rested. I wondered if my ear would feel normal again. Wait, something feels different now. My ear feels strange again, but this time it feels warmer. Mom, can you come here? My ear feels different again.
Tell me exactly what you feel, Leo. Is it pain, pressure, or something else?
It feels warm and full. It does not really hurt, but it feels different from before.
Okay, Leo. We will keep watching it. If it becomes painful, we will get help.
Mom, did swimming make my ear feel like this? Could water be stuck inside?
Swimming can sometimes leave water in the outer ear. It may make the ear feel full or blocked.
Oh, I understand. Maybe that is why my ear feels full after swimming.
Remember, Leo, never put cotton swabs or other things inside your ear.
Okay, Mom. I understand. I will not put anything inside my ear. I felt tired after swimming, but I was glad Mom knew about my ear. I hoped it would feel normal tomorrow. It is morning. I wonder how my ear feels now after sleeping all night. Oh, it still feels blocked. It did not completely go away while I was sleeping. Mom, my ear still feels blocked. Can you come and check on me?
Does it hurt now, Leo? Do you feel dizzy, sick, or have trouble hearing?
No, it does not hurt. I am not dizzy or sick. It just feels blocked.
Since it is still blocked today, I think we should ask a doctor about your ear.
A doctor? I feel a little nervous, Mom. Will it hurt?
Do not worry, Leo. We will explain everything, and the doctor will help us understand your ear.
I was still nervous, but I knew Mom was there to help me.
Ready, Leo? Let's go together and find out what is happening with your ear.